Ba't ganito yung S-loan ko? Ba't bumaba? Ano ba to? Bagong taon na bagong taon? From 30,000? 10,000 na lang? Ano to? Ba't ganito? Guys, for today's video, ano lang tayo? Update lang about S-loan. Okay, so when I release this video yan, yung 5 best lending service this 2024, marami nag-comment about S-loan. Sabi nila, pangit na daw ang S-loan, so on and so forth, because there was an issue with S-loan. So ano ba tong issue na to and na-resolve na ba? So yan yung quickly i-discuss natin ngayong araw para at least alam nyo kung ano ang nangyayari sa S-loan. Or makokorek pa ba siya or nakorek na ba siya? So malalaman natin yan, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron ako experience at ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so yun nga, nasabi ko nga sa inyo na nagkaroon ng recent changes or update kay S-Loan ni Shopee. Nangyari is, come January 1, nag-update or parang nag-refresh yung system ni S-Loan. Tapos, pagtingin ng mga tao sa S-Loan nila, lalo na sa mga hindi naman nagagamit yung S-Loan, meaning nandyan lang, naka-reserve, naka-standby lang yung S-Loan credit, bigla daw bumaba or nabawasan ang kanilang credit limit. Siyempre, nilalaan nga natin yan for emergency use, tapos biglang bababaan ka ng wala ka namang late payment, maayos naman ang records mo. So, bakit biglang bumaba? So, nandyan yung speculation na, wala nang fund si C-Money, kaya ganyan. However, it turns out na, upon checking with the customer service ni Shopee or ni C-Money, meron daw palang bug. Yan. So, at least, after malaman yan na may bug pala, kahit papano, nabunutan ka ng tinik kasi syempre, since error yan, aayusin naman yan ni Shopee. As of yesterday, January 3, na-resolve na ang issue ng decrease in credit limit. So, sabi ni Shopee, nag-reply siya, ayan. So, ito yung sabi ni Shopee. So, we are writing to inform you that your S-Loan credit limit has been adjusted. We have confirmed that this is a known issue and our team is already working on immediate fix. Please be assured that your credit limit will be reinstated in 24 to 48 hours. Thank you for your patience during this process. Should you need further assistance apart from this, etc., etc., etc. If hindi nyo pa alam, gradually nang binabalik ni Shopee or ina-adjust yung credit limit ng ating S-Loan sa dati. So check nyo sa inyong Shopee app, sa inyong S-Loan, kung naibalik na sa dati ang inyong credit limit. Meron din naman dyan na instead na bumalik lang sa dati, nag-increase pa or mag-i-increase pa ang credit limit. So you may want to check your S-Loan kay Shopee. Okay, if in case naman na hindi ba adjusted, well, what I can suggest is try to get in touch with Shopee and file a ticket para ma-investigate nila kung saan nagkakaproblema sa pag-a-adjust or pagbabalik sa dating credit limit. So yun lang naman for today's video. So for our question of the day, anong mararamdaman nyo kapag yung nilaan yung bagay, lalo na ito, for example, yung S-Loan, nilalaan nyo for emergency use, bigla na lang mawawala or mababawasan. So, anong magiging pakiramdam nyo pag nangyari yan sa inyo? So, let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos GCash sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And also, huwag nyo kalimutang mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel for your chance naman manalo sa ating cellphone giveaway once we reach the 75k milestone. Before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay at Rosinto Baay Sumaya 3246. Sabi niya, thanks much po sa info. Baka thanks much po sa info. Okay, at Rosinto Baay Sumaya 3246, maraming salamat din po sa panonood at sa pagsuporta sa aking channel. Okay, yun lang muna po for today's video. I hope you could like this video. Leave a thumbs up and if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makasig kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye. Bye-bye!